Hello everybody and welcome to another unboxing episode. Today I'll unbox two error coins, two error euro coins. Let's see together what we got here. Here is the one. And here is the other one. Let's see here what we got. Here is the 5 cents from 2004. As you can clearly see, here is the error of this coin. You should always check your coins. Maybe you find another one like this. As you can see, here is the error coin, the error of this coin, 2004 from Belgium, 5 Eurocent. Let's see the other one. The other one is 2 Eurocent from Belgium also. As you can see, 2 Eurocent. Let's see the other one, the other side, where the error is. As you can see, here in his face, we have a line. You can see it. It goes from here to his hair. Today, this is it for today. Another day I'll make another video for the value of these coins. Thanks for watching and see you next time. And don't forget to subscribe, please.